Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a good news for iPhone users. Apple is going to replace the batteries of iPhone 6, 6s and SE, for just £25. You must have heard recently Apple was deliberately slowing down of iPhone 6, iPhone 6s and iPhone SE. It's in the news all over it. They have posted a statement regarding this on their website. Apple is saying we've been hearing feedback from our customers about the way we handle performance for iPhones with older batteries and how we have communicated that process. We know that some of you feel Apple has let you down. We apologize. There's been a lot of misunderstanding about this issue, so we would like to clarify and let you know about some changes we're making. So Apple is saying sorry for slowing down your iPhone. The real reason behind slowing down the performance of was chemically aged batteries. One of the most common cause of unexpected shutdown was old tired batteries. When a chemically aged battery is replaced with a new one, iPhone performance returns to normal when operated in standard conditions. To address customers' concerns, to recognize their loyalty and to regain the trust of customers who may have doubted Apple's intentions, Apple decided to take the following steps. Apple is reducing the price of an out-of-warranty iPhone battery replacement by £54, from £79 to £25, for anyone with an iPhone 6 or later whose battery needs to be replaced, available worldwide until December 2018. Details will be provided soon on Apple's website. Also early in 2018, Apple will issue an iOS software update with new features that give users more visibility into the health of their iPhone's battery, so they can see for themselves if its condition is affecting performance. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I need 300 more subscribers to get paid for a video like this. See you in the next one. Bye. Hello.